Yo, what up? I'm Chef Jason.
And I'm Chef Tyler.
And we are
Badass Chefs.
Do you want to learn how to cook?
Yes.
Have you ever wanted to go to culinary school?
I have made that mistake.
Do you sometimes struggle in the kitchen?
Used to, no longer.
If you answered yes to any of those three questions, then we have an exciting announcement for you today. Da-da-da! We are launching our 10-week chef course.
I can say when I was a younger cook, I would watch YouTube videos, read cookbooks, imagine what it would be like to learn how to cook like a professional. And that's why we started the 10-week chef course with Truffle Shuffle. We're gonna teach you the 10 essential skills that every chef needs to be successful in the kitchen.
So Tyler, tell me about these skills.
So really, this is how we train every chef in a professional restaurant. Number one, you need to learn your knife skills.
Happy knife, happy life.
You also need to know how to sharpen a knife, so we're gonna teach you how to do that.
Sharp life, sharp knife.
Next up, we have our stocks basics.
It truly is how you stock the foundation.
After that, we'll give an introduction to sauces and sauce skills.
You'll get to make one of my favorite sauces, the boss sauce.
We also will teach you how to make handmade pasta from scratch.
No jokes, making pasta is awesome.
We'll teach you how to season properly, which is the real key to a good chef versus a great chef.
It literally is like entering the matrix.
After that, we'll teach some butchery skills. We'll start with meat butchery, how to butcher a chicken.
If your friends don't think you're a badass chef, once they see you butcher a chicken, they will know.
That's true. And then we'll take it to the sea. We'll show you how to do whole fish butchery.
All those fishing trips where you get the fish at the end, you'll know how to cut it.
By week 9, you're gonna be feeling a little confident. Okay, so we're gonna turn the heat up. Little advanced skills of braising with red wine braised short ribs.
Nothing goes better with red wine braised short ribs and a little Marvin Gaye and Chardonnay.
And we'll cap it off with some very advanced skills, and we're gonna teach you how to make beef Wellington.
Truly, the Rolls Royce of any family style feast. Now, before we wrap this up, I got one more thing I wanna show you, okay? My girlfriend got me this from Paris, and it's a little rat. But first, I want to tell you, if you want to learn how to cook, there's 3 ways that you will learn how to cook. First, you're going to go to culinary school.
Very expensive.
Second, you're going to do it on your own.
Takes a very long time.
Third, now, this is the fastest path to be successful in the kitchen is you find a rat that already knows how to cook. You put the rat under your hat.
Yep.
Now, these rats are very hard to find. So if you can't find a rat, we got your back here, all right? And that is why we launched the 10-week chef course at Truffle Shuffle. We only have a limited number of spots. So we have one question for you, and the only right answer in the kitchen is
Yes, chef.
So hit the button below, all right? You'll see it says yes, chef, to join our course today.